Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to zoom in on a specific area in your Davinci Resolve video. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Davinci Resolve program right here on your PC if you haven't already. And after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Davinci Resolve, where we can get started with creating our new project. So let's go ahead and guys and open up our new project, and we can get started with adding our videos that we want to use right here. So here is my media and videos I have added. So I have successfully dragged them to my timeline right here, implemented them, and now I can get started with editing them. So let's go ahead guys and see how to zoom in on an area. Basically what we want to do is go ahead and find the part where we want to zoom in. So let's say we want to zoom in this part right here. I'm going to go ahead and go to that part so that I can go ahead and open it up and get started with zooming. So let's say in this part right here, I want to add the zoom option. So what we're going to do is select the video and then go into the inspector option in the upper right corner. So click on inspector guys, and after clicking on inspector, this is going to open up this new inspector menu with all the options we can use for editing the video. And guys, what we want to do is find this dynamic zoom option. So you can see dynamic zoom is the option that's going to enable us to zoom in our video. As you can see guys, now dynamic zoom is going to enable us to zoom in our video in HD. So this is going to add that zoom option, as you can see, that we can go ahead and get started with using on our video. But yeah guys, basically that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.